welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Shari and I am based here in Cagayan de Oro City. So kung bago po kayo dito sa channel ko, as of now gumagawa po ako ng vlogging basics, but I do random videos here in YouTube. So if you haven't subscribed, just click the subscribe button and the bell notification on the side para ma-notify kayo each time na may i-upload ako na new videos. For today's video, i-share ko po sa inyo kung paano gamitin yung Canva for your YouTube thumbnails. So this is very fast and very quick, very easy para po sa inyo. And this is just for your basic knowledge and using the application. So guys, all you have to do is go to Play Store and install the Canva app. By the way guys, for this app, you need an internet connection kasi naka-online po siya. So let's start. Click on the Canva app and we will search YouTube. But before that guys, so you can see may mga templates na dito na pwede nyong gamitin if you are going to post on Instagram, to post on Facebook, to do a YouTube channel thumbnail, YouTube channel art pala, and YouTube thumbnails meron din po dito guys. So yan, pwede nyong gawin kung wala pa po kayong ganyan. So this one, we will search YouTube thumbnail. Ayan, then search. And then we will try just the simple one po. Let's try this one. Exploring Tuscany. Ayan, so let's try to, or this one kaya guys. So the same with the application, kung napanood nyo po yun doon sa ating desktop na tutorial. Ayan, so meron siyang nakalagay free. So malalaman nyo na free siya. So of course, kung hindi siya free, kailangan siyang bayaran sa Canva using, I think, PayPal is okay. So let's try this one. Simple lang po. Okay, so you will click on edit. Ayan siya. So you have to, so as what I've said po, kailangan mag-choose po kayo ng picture na related din po sa content nyo. Para hindi siya maging clickbait guys na lalabas. So, click on the picture to replace the picture, and I already have here the picture that I cropped. Ayan yung itsura niya guys. Naka-filter na din pala to, no? So, let's choose the original guys. So, you can just click gallery, image, yung mga images nila, and then color, and then filter. So, kanina guys, naka-darken siya. Parang ganyan. Let's just choose the original. Where is it? Ayan, original. Okay, so let's proceed. So we will click on the text. Ayan, to replace the text po. So let's just put La Parisha de Jamela's Farm. Ayan. Tapos guys, pwede rin tayong mag-add ng text. Let's just click here yung may plus sa side, sa right hand side nyo po sa screen. And then let's click on the text. And pwede po tayong mag-choose ng mga naka-preset na design po. But you can also add text on your own. So we'll just add text on our own. So I'll add ShaiTalks CDO. Move natin para makita siya. Gusto ko naman, palitan natin yung style ng text guys. Gusto ko yung pag-girl na text. So maghahanap po tayo. Ayan siya guys. So, lagay natin dito. Lakihan na lang natin. Wait. Ayan. So, yan guys. Simple lang. Okay lang ako sa ganyan. So, depende naman po sa inyo. You can choose different templates. So, for the sake of the tutorial po, itong simple lang po yung ating gagamitin. Just your basis. Pag gano'n naman talaga sa mga applications, kailangan may baseline ka lang. So, you can start editing for your own thumbnails. So guys, lagyan natin siya dito sa taas kasi may border pala to. Let's just change the text color, yung dark, para makita siya dun sa taas. Black. Okay, let's make it black. And then I want it smaller na lang po. Ayan, okay siguro yan. Okay, so let's just try that one. And then, click nyo po yung arrow. May arrow na ganyan, tapos may line sa baba to download the picture. Ayan, so it's been saved. Sobrang bilis lang po nito. And then, tingnan natin sa ating gallery. Ayan siya, guys. So, ayan na yung ating final thumbnail. So, that's all for today's video. I hope na may natutunan kayo. And kung meron kayong video suggestions, just comment it down below in the comment section. And kung hindi nyo pa napanood yung ibang videos ko, guys, tingnan nyo lang po sa aking YouTube channel. And if you haven't subscribed, you might consider subscribing, especially dun po sa mga bagong nagva-vlog. You can just comment your video suggestion po para magawan ko po kayo ng video at nang makatulong po ako sa inyo. So, that's all for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. God bless everyone. Bye-bye.